Hey you guys, Naturally Marked here. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you, see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam. Bam. Okay guys, so you might be seeing this particular video maybe in September, because I had to put a whole bunch of old videos in front of this hair update video. And I really didn't want to try to rush and batch a lot of videos at one time. So you guys just got hit with a wave of very old videos. And now it's probably like September or October, and you're just now seeing this hair update video after I cut my hair. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the hair update video that I recorded for y'all in May. Yes, I'm still in the same position. I'm still in the same shirt because it is still the same day and same month for me, which is July 7th, 2023. But you guys are seeing it's probably like late September or October. So today's video is going to be about my hair update video. Since I cut my hair, and I'm probably going to have a sloop full of hair update videos for you guys, already pre-batched and backed up for y'all. But right now, y'all back in May, okay? Like we done went back in time. Okay, so this is me May. I just showed you guys how I can finger coil my hair. Can I make this brighter or something, or dimmer? Like, am I tripping? Y'all, I'm still trying to get used to my background, and I probably shouldn't try to get used to my background while recording. But I mean, I feel like that's the only way that you really gon' I feel like she's a little bit brighter now. You okay? Yeah, I showed you guys how I can finger coil my hair. I talked about my length check. So now today's video is going to be, how do I feel about my, ew, it slapped me in the eye. Okay, so today's video is going to be me telling you guys how I like my haircut. What have I done to my hair since you seen me chop all of my hair off, and if I'm still doing the kinky twist method or not. So this is what that video is going to be about, and just a whole bunch of updates for you guys. So first off, I have started braiding my hair again. So let me take my hair out of this raggedy little bun. But I have started braiding my hair. Let me show y'all. It needs to be rebraided. My hair, the last time I rebraided it, so you guys see me chop all my hair off like early May. And then at the end of May, probably May 28th, or maybe even like June 1st, I redid my hair from the cut, which was about 5 weeks later. I put braids in my hair instead of the twist, because with the blunt ends, the twist was not holding as well, and I knew that, I knew that my hair was gonna need to be redone sooner with the blunt ends. But also with me having to take down my twist and feeling how they kept locking on themselves, I am here to get my hair thicker and healthier now, and I don't want to keep doing a style that I know that I don't necessarily like, which is mini twist, because of the single strands that's wrapping around the hair, also the locking, and then also it doesn't last as long as braids. So I am in the middle of rebraiding my hair right now, which is July 7th, 2023. Once again, I am in the middle of rebraiding my hair, but I absolutely love the braids. Again, twisting my hair, it goes up faster, but it doesn't last longer. And then I can't wear my hair as long without fretting that it's going to lock on itself. So this is what it looks like. I'm already rebraiding some of it. I got the back rebraided, and I'm gonna do like the middle row with you guys to show y'all what it looked like braided. But I absolutely love my cut. My hair is so much healthier. The texture of my hair changed, like I've told y'all way back in May. The texture of my curl pattern has changed. The texture of my hair has changed. And that's also kind of making the braiding part look a little bit more, I don't know. It makes my braids look a little differently because they swell up differently now, but they're also not micro mini braids. And these are still the same parts that my sister-in-law put in my hair back in December 2022. But it makes it way easier. Now that I'm actually re-braiding my hair from me putting the braids in my hair. So this is the second time I'm redoing my hair with the braids. No, this is the first time I'm redoing my hair with the braids. I hope that makes sense. Because I put the braids in my hair. Now the braids are raggedy. Now I need to redo them. Me redoing them, I noticed that my hair needs to be dry. I cannot take down the braid with my hair damp or wet because it takes too long. It doesn't just pop apart. And I'm gonna explain that when I show you guys visually, show you guys what it looks like when I rebraid my hair. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm using and everything like that, just so this video isn't long. But it is way easier to take down my hair with it dry. The other thing that I noticed is I felt like the ends of my hair with the twist was starting to get like single strand knots and stuff. So I'm not getting as many knots and I don't have to snap my hair apart. But a lot of that kind of helped with the haircut. And then it's also faster. It's also faster for me to kind of do my hair, if that makes sense, with it braided. The only downfall with me braiding my hair, I feel like it takes a longer time for me to get the pattern out of my hair to actually form a prettier braid, rebraiding that same braid without taking all of my hair down, washing it, and then putting it all back up. That's the most trickiest part with having all of my hair braided and then having to turn around and rebraid that same braid immediately. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm doing to get around that. But I actually really enjoy and love my new haircut. I know I look crazy right now. I've still been doing my hot oil treatments. I've still been keeping my hair up in a bun, not wearing it down. Even though the ends of my hair looks a lot more healthier and curlier, I'm still treating them as if they're still very brittle. And I'm still treating my hair with kitten mittens. One thing this past 6 weeks I have not done has did a tea rinse. And that's because I've made my own tea bags, like my own DIY tea bags to do. So I just make a tea with my own tea and then spray my hair, and I don't rinse it out because I know everything that's in the tea is good and healthy for building stronger hair, durable hair, and more nutrients is in my tea bag. So that's the only thing I haven't did was went to the store and actually bought like either a black tea bag or a green tea bag. I got a mixture of different dry herbs that I'm using and testing, and I'm actually loving right now to keep my scalp feeling like it's not itchy, because I was telling you guys like my hair was really itchy for a while, and since I stopped using a lot of store-bought products, my scalp feels way better. I'm not washing my hair every single week anymore. I can actually skip a week without my scalp feeling like it feels like, I don't know if you guys ever feel your hair where it itches so bad that it burns. My scalp doesn't feel like that anymore since I've stopped using a lot of store-bought products and actually shampooing my hair. My hair is just changing, and I'm trying to listen to it as the change come. So right now, my hair is not loving store-bought products. Right now, it's loving DIY products. My own DIY products is loving more simple, basic, leave it alone, put it up, let it grow, take it down, redo it, and giving it a wash every other week. So I don't think I'm gonna go back to not washing my hair for the first 2 weeks. When I show you guys how I'm braiding my hair, well, I guess I can tell you now, like, I am actually re-braiding my hair with liquid. Normally, you guys know I don't use liquid when I re-braid my hair at all, because I like to see the length. I don't like for my hair to shrink up, but my hair does not want to be braided with only shea butter, so I made a DIY spray shea butter. It's pretty much a leave-in conditioner, but it's a lot of shea butter in it with water, so that my hair is still getting shea butter, but it's also getting liquid. It's just not wanting to be drenched with just shea butter at this time. So I'm really just listening to my hair. I really hope these updates help you guys, and I'm trying to think of as many questions that you guys probably would have asked or could have asked already that I probably didn't answer. But going through postpartum shedding and then turning around and then getting COVID and then the density of your hair falling out, it was a lot mentally, but I just thank God that I am really making it through it, and he's showing me how to grow my hair, what I don't need to be putting on my body no more to grow my hair, and just a whole bunch of, like, the chemicals that was in the products that I was using on my hair. I know it was not good, and hopefully you guys watched a lot of the videos before this video, because I'm not doing any of those methods or techniques anymore, or probably using those products. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna get off of here. I'm not gonna ramble any longer, but this is the state of my hair and what it looks like right now. As you guys still see, it is still short and shrunken. Let me give you guys a quick length check really quick. So you see it's still, I guess it's kind of touching my chin now, but after I redo it, I give you guys a better length check, because I feel like with it shrunken, I've washed it a couple of times, and then with the new growth and kind of the build up in the braid, I feel like it's not an accurate length check for you guys, but it is touching the bottom of my chin now, instead of kind of like touching the bottom of my lip in the middle of my chin. So my hair is most definitely growing, and I'm just happy. So if you guys like these videos, please give me a thumbs up, leave comments down below, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.